Hey guys, thank you for returning to this channel if you're new here, which I doubt because why would you click on a video like that for your first impression of me? But my name is Lexy, and if you're returning, thank you for that. Today's video, I got some makeup storage units, or whatever you want to call it, bins. So I want to do that. I figured, why not turn it into a weird vlog? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to show you my crowded makeup room here in a minute. This is currently what I'm working with, so let me show you that. This is what I currently got going on, and yeah, this doesn't belong here, but that's fine. So this here has all of my hair stuff and makeup in it, and then I just kind of drew a whole bunch of makeup on the desk, which, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and move all of that into this box and move it into the next room. Alright, so obviously I'm going to put my palettes on the bottom, and I have these small little ones here on the top. I kind of taped them down. I just want to see real quick if the Morphe palette will fit in here. I have a feeling it won't. Wow, just barely! I'm just going to go ahead and sit on the floor for this. Alright, looks like I have everything how I need it. So for the first drawer, we will have foundation, powders, concealer and highlight, and primer. Then we'll have bullet lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, loose eyeshadows, the ones I just have in singles, and then back here we'll have lip liner, eyeliner, mascara. Then down here we'll have samples, fake eyelashes. My favorite ones are these here. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Then have glitter. Have to start using that a whole lot more. And then here in the back is just my little cheapo palettes, or just old palettes that I just really don't want to get rid of. But yeah, this one's like from the Halloween store. And then on the bottom, we have all my palettes. And this little thingy is on rollers, so hopefully I can roll it around. I can roll it from the filming room to the makeup room, because my makeup room really is in the craft room, because it got 2 windows so there's better light, but I don't want to film in there. So yeah, I hope in some kind of way you had fun watching this. If you did, please like this video and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you for the next video.